my humble message and request to the honorable leaders of the democratic world. Today is 29th April 2017 and the London time is 8 p.m. His Excellencies, Her Excellencies, Honorable Presidents, Prime Ministers, Office Bearers and members of all international human rights organizations and NGOs. Good evening. I, Altaf Hussain, the founder leader of the Muttahida Qawmi movement, MQM, Pakistan, want to bring a serious and important point into your knowledge and kind attention and consideration. As I have been persistently saying, that there is no difference between the religious fanatics and unfortunately the majority of the armed forces of Pakistan, including Pakistan Army and its very powerful intelligence agency, the ISI, Inter-Services Intelligence. As I have also mentioned in my speeches, that in Pakistan, the control of the army and the ISI is not in the hands of the democratically elected government of Pakistan. Now I want to draw your kind attention to an important issue. As you might know, a prominent and widely circulated Pakistani English newspaper, Daily Dawn, had published a news story a few months ago, which was about a meeting of Pakistani army officials and some ministers of the civilian government. This story revealed serious rifts between Pakistan Army, its powerful intelligence agency, the ISI, and the civilian government of Mr. Nawaz Sharif on the issue of law and order situation in Pakistan. Dawn newspaper said its story was based on information and from credible and very reliable sources. Pakistani army and its intelligence agencies did not like this leak and expressed their anger over this story. The army wanted to strict action against those who had leaked the story to Dawn newspaper. Pakistan civilians government came under serious pressure and launched an inquiry into this matter, which was called by Pakistani media as Dawn Leaks. Dawn Leaks. The investigation was completed recently. This morning, means today, the Prime Minister's House issued a notification in which it was announced that in the light of the inquiry report, the government has taken 4 steps, including the removal of 2 very high-level civilian officials from their position. However, the Director General of Pakistan Army's Media Department, Inter-Services Public Relations, which is commonly known as ISPR, rejected Prime Minister's action through a tweet. It is said the action was not in line with the recommendations by the inquiry board. A tweet further said that the notification is rejected by the army. Now, you can understand easily what powers the army and the ISI enjoy in Pakistan. I request you all to please use your offices and ask the government of Pakistan and the army through your representatives to ensure that no one interfere in the affairs of democracy and into the affairs of the elected governments, and tell them that either you, means the army, declare Pakistan as a military-ruled country or democratically ruled country. I hope you will give kind attention to my appeal to you all. I thank you all for listening my appeal. Yours truly and sincerely, Altaf Hussain, founder, leader of the MQM Pakistan.